And the opposition spokesperson on energy, Philip Paulwell, has responded to the announcement, describing it as unnecessary in light of reports that a settlement price was the only outstanding issue. In a press release Tuesday afternoon, Mr. Paulwell said the move was particularly premature given the fact that the ZACA committee, which was appointed to look at the future of the Petrojam refinery, is scheduled to report in May 2019 on its findings and recommendations. He also questioned if attempts were made to use international arbitration organizations to settle negotiation disputes. He argues that the expropriation will cause ripple effects to be felt in the local and international investor community. The statement went on to say that the hostile approach is uncharacteristic of Jamaica and may in fact be detrimental to our future negotiating capacity with other foreign investors. Mr. Paulwell has called on Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in his capacity as head of government and as Minister of Energy, to reveal his role in the negotiation as well as the factors which led to this urgent action.